Welcome! In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to add or remove primary option sets. These control which option appears on your item card. Let's get started. From your dashboard, go to Menus, then click Option Sets. Before we continue, it is important to note that the option set must already be created, added to the Option Sets tab, and marked as required. If you're not sure how to create an option set, check out our separate tutorial on that first. Once your option set is ready, head back to the Menus section. Select the menu, choose the category, and then pick the item you want to edit. Then, click the Edit icon to open the item details. Go to the Options and Ingredients tab. In the Option Set field, make sure the relevant option set is selected. Then, in the Primary Option Set field, choose which one you want to display on the item card. Note, only one primary option set can be displayed. Click Save to apply the changes. Now go to your store's front end and view the updated item to confirm that the primary option set is appearing as expected. To remove a primary option set, go back to the same item and open the Options and Ingredients tab. Remove the option set from the Option Set field. This will automatically remove it from the Primary Option Set field as well. If you want to keep the option set but just want to hide it from the item card, re-add it in the Option Set field only, but do not select it again as a primary option set. If you no longer need the option set at all, just leave it out completely. Click Save to apply the changes. Then refresh your store page to see the update. You'll see that the primary option set has now been removed or updated according to your changes. That is it. You now know how to manage primary option sets. Check out our other videos for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.